is our statue. This is the human being of early 21st century. Students, in early 21st century, the human beings were very normal and very happy and also physically complete. They were very careless about the future. They enjoyed but did not give anything for us.
Sir, the pollution control board people had called.
What they said?
Sir, they want us to implement pollution-free, eco-friendly chimneys and industries.
How is pollution gonna affect these people? Who cares about the damn future? We're not gonna spend on these minor issues.
What about the industrial waste?
Try to convince the people to connect the waste pipeline to the nearby river.
Okay, sir.
Hello? Is Mano speaking? Oh, that's a great news. Anjali delivered a baby. Yeah, tell me, doctor. What? What do you mean? How can that be possible? No eyes? No legs? Tell me how much money you want, doctor. I'm ready to spend any amount of money. Please, doctor. Please do something, please. I beg you, please, doctor, please.
Manager, fix all these pollution issues and make sure the industrial waste is dumped in one dry land and used for organic purposes. Our future generations should not suffer.
They enjoyed but did not leave anything to us. That careless behavior led us to this situation.
I tried really hard to revert back things. I tried. But the Mother Nature had already showed her anger on us. Nature look after us the way we look after it. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for everything what happened. I am sorry.
I promise you will give a good nature by preserving it to my best.